Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to discuss about decimals, paano ba mag-multiply ng mga decimal numbers, still with Civil Service Examination review on numerical ability. So rule natin, okay, so multiplication sa multiplying decimals, ang first rule natin dito is multiply the numbers like whole number. So, set aside mo yun. Huwag mong isipin yung decimal point niya. I-align mo yung numbers, last digit at saka yung last digit. I-align mo yun. Then, you multiply the numbers as if whole number sila. Then, put a decimal point in the place value where the product equals the sum of the number of decimal places in all the factors. So, after multiplying, meron ka ng answer, you have to count. Ilang decimal places ba meron doon sa mga factors natin? So, yung factors natin, ika-count nyo ilang decimal places meron. So, pag na-count mo na yun din ang ilalagay mo number of decimal places dito sa answer natin sa product. So, yun yung two rules natin to follow when we multiply decimal numbers. So, let's have some example. Example dito, meron tayong 5.6 times 2.3. So, sabi sa rule natin, you have to multiply it as if it's a whole number. So, i-align natin sila. So, 3 times 6, that is actually 18. You carry 1. 3 times 5, that is 15 plus 1 is 16. 6 times 2, that is 12. Carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, that is 11. Now, let us add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then, 1. Now, let's count how many decimal places meron doon sa factor natin. Kasi sabi, you have to count it and then you have to put it dito sa answer natin. So, meron tayong 1 decimal place. Meron din dito 1. So, if we are going to add that, meron tayong 1 plus 1 na decimal place that is equals to 2. So, yung decimal place din natin, ilalagay natin dito sa place value sa answer natin ay 1, 2. Dito din. Okay? So, therefore, 5.6 times 2.3 is equals to 12.88. Okay, so, madali lang mag-solve ng mga decimal numbers. Madali lang i-multiply. But we have to practice. Meron tayong practice exercise dito. So, 1.2 times 3.4. Again, let us align the number. 1.2 times 3.4. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Let's add this. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 3, that's 4. Now, how many decimal places do we have? So, let's count. Both factors ay meron 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places. So, let's move 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Okay, so therefore, ang answer natin dito is 4.08. Next, meron pa tayong exercise dito. Ito medyo mahaba to, maraming numbers. Actually, meron tayong mga tricks on how to multiply numbers easy and fast. Okay? But hindi po natin i-discuss yun dito sa video na to. Basic lang tayo muna in this video. So, let's start and multiply. 321, okay, 0.5. Then, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Medyo mahaba to kasi apat na number. So, if we multiply 4 times 5, that is 20. Carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, that is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Now, let's multiply 3 times 5, that is 15. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Next is we have 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, that is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Last one, 5, okay, times 1. Lagyan natin 1 times 5, 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 2 equals 2, 1 times 3 equals 3. Now, let's sum this up. Okay, so 0. You have to make sure na naka-align yan sila kasi minsan pag hindi yan sila naka-align, na ilagay mo si 0 dito, magiging mali na yung answer natin. So, be very careful. Okay, yung sa alignment natin, you really have to make it clear para tama yung pag-add natin. So, 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 4, that is 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 3, that's 12, plus 5, that is 17. Carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Carry 1. Then we have 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9, bring down 3. Okay, so that is our answer. Now, let's count how many decimal places are there. So, ilang decimal places ba meron dito? So, dito yung decimal natin at saka dito kay 1. So, let's count. Sa taas, sa first factor, meron tayong 1 decimal. So, 1. Dito, let's start. Actually, pwede nyo galing dito papunta dyan or pwede din dito papunta dyan. It's just the same. Okay? As long as na-count nyo yung exact number of places. Okay? So, 1, count natin. 2, 3, 4. So, 4 digits. 4 decimal places. So, 1, dito tayo mag-start. Okay, kahit 0 yan, i-count natin dito mag-start. Huwag mag-start dito. So, 0. Let's start here. Sabi, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, therefore, our answer is 396.731. Okay? So, yan yung answer natin. So, dito kahit hindi nyo naisulat si 0. So, our answer is 396.731. Next is another example. Ito medyo easy lang. We have 10.75 times 2.8. Now, let's multiply. 8 times 5, that is equals to 40. Bring carry 4. 8 times 7, that's 56. Plus 4, that is 60. Carry 6. 8 times 0 is 0. Plus 6, that is 6. 8 times 1, that is 8. Next is 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1, that is 15. Carry 1 again. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1, that is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Now let's add this. Bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. That will give us 3. So how many decimal places do we have on both factors? We have 1, 2, plus another 1. That's 3. So let's move 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So therefore, 10.75 times 2.8 is equals to 30.1. Very easy. Now let's have another example. So let's try this. 3.743 times 0.42. So let's start. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry 1. 2 times 6 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Then 4 times 3, that is 12. You carry 1. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1, that is 17. 4 times 7, that is 28. Okay, so 28 plus 1, that is 29. Carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2, that is 14. Now, that's no need to multiply the 0, okay, because you'll get zeros already there. So let's proceed adding this. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 9, that is 17. Carry 1 again. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then bring down 1. So our answer here is, how many decimal places do we have? The first factor, 1, 2, 3 decimal plus 1, 2. So 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5 decimal places. Okay, so let's count here 5 decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, our answer here is equal to 1.57206. So yan yung answer natin. Next, let's have this. Okay, last example natin. So 43 times 7.56. Actually, minsan pag ganito, yung iba medyo nakakalito. Okay, kasi mas malaki yung sa baba kaysa sa taas. So, feel free kung gusto nyo ilagay si 7.56 sa taas, sa baba naman si 43, you will get the same answer. Okay, pareho lang yung answer na malalabas. Anyway, we'll follow this one. So, 6 times 3, that is 18. Carry 1. 4 times 6, that is 24, plus 1 is 25. Carry, oh, that's 25, hindi na i-carry. Okay, so 3 times 5, that is 15. Okay, carry 1. 5 times 4, that is 20, plus 1, that's 21. Now, next, 7 times 3. Okay, 7 times 3, that is 21. Carry 2. 7 times 4, that is 28, plus 2, that is 30. Now, let's add this one. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay, 3. Now, let's count how many decimal places do we have here. Okay, so we only have 2 decimal places. This is 1, 2. So, let's count. 1, 2. Okay, so dito natin lalagay decimal place natin, decimal point, I mean. So therefore, answer natin is 325.08. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, mabilis lang po magsagot ng mga multiplication problem ng mga decimal. All you have to do is remember yung rules. Okay, i-align mo siya, i-multiply mo siya as whole number. Then you just count the decimal places doon sa factors. Kung ilan yun meron decimal places, yun din yung number of decimal places natin ilalagay doon sa answer natin or sa product natin. Okay? So I hope you were able to impart some ideas and knowledge on how to multiply decimal numbers. Feel free to comment po kung may comment kayo or suggestions. Okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.